Okay, in this video, we're going to look at fabric as the source of inspiration to create a design, a group, and a collection. The industry, the textile industry, works way ahead of everybody else. So the designer usually will look at fabric as a starting point, as a source of ideas, right? The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available on Fashion Premier Academy. Click the link below. Roll it. I'm going to take you through a process on how to create a group and a collection. But there really isn't a secret formula. There's not one way to create a collection. Each designer, each artist, you will have your own way of designing. You will create and come up with your own technique, your own method, right? We'll start with one design. You can go into another idea and then to another and to another, and then create a cohesive group and a collection that you can execute, all right? So let's take a look. So here we have this cute little dress. We have 3 fabrics. In this dress, we have a solid red for the top portion. We have this red with white polka dots for the skirt part and the sleeves, and a solid white for this cute little Peter Pan color. So obviously you can't sell a design in only one color. So you say, you know what? We can make it available in pink. So it's pink with white polka dots. And it could be yellow with white polka dots, and purple and blue and whatever. It could be black with white polka dots. Why not? And you can use black with white polka dots as a fabric in and of itself and create a skirt. So you have a dress, a skirt, you add a pair of pants to it, a jacket, and so on. Before you know it, you have a little group. And then you can say, well, we can have a second skirt as an option, combining a solid black with black and white polka dots. Now, you can take that even further and say, well, we have black with white polka dots. Why don't we add a stripe to go with that? Same color combination, black and white, but now we are adding a whole new element to it, a stripe design. Or you can say, you know what? We have these big white dots, white polka dots. Why don't we add little, these cute little white polka dots? So you have 2 different designs, 2 different fabrics to collaborate with. And furthermore, you can say, you know what, instead of the white polka dots, why don't we do it in black dots, right? And if you want to really take it a whole new step further with the stripe and new elements, you can say, you know what, why don't we add a whole new design pattern, a whole new idea here. It's still black and white, but it's obviously a different pattern, right, in the fabric. So you see how before you know it, you go from one idea into another, and you keep evolving and developing a small little group. So before you know it, you say, you know what? We have a whole new design. This cute little dress that started as a little red and white polka dots. Now we have this idea. Still polka dots and, white and red theme. And so this design can develop into a small group, and then groups become collections. And that's one way to develop a group and a collection. This is just one option. All right, so that was one approach to using fabric as a source of inspiration and a source of creating ideas, designs, groups, collections, and so on. There is no one way of doing it. There is no secret formula, as I said earlier. So the only thing that counts is your imagination. That's it. See you next class.